Here I have POCO M3 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to transfer files from the internal storage to the SD card on this device. So firstly, you have to open application file manager. Then here you can share images, videos, docs, music, APKs, downloads, archives, more. So let's, for example, share these images. Let's select them, then tap more, copy, then select SD card, then select any folder where you want to copy them, for example to the download, and then paste. And now we can find all of these images on our SD card, where we can access our SD card. Okay. Here at the download folder, and here they are. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.